So it's probably kind of hard to see because it's dark and I'm in a car. But I also have Macchiato with me because today she decided that she was going to be in heat again. So I set up for her boyfriend again. I'm starting to think that she just misses him and wants to see him a lot. So we are heading the 45 minutes for her to go on another date. So if I was teetering before on if I wanted a buck or not, I'm definitely getting bucks now for next year. Oh, and if you're wondering what a goat heat looks like and how I can tell, I'll put the video right here.
So if you notice, they are sniffing on a buck rag. Basically, that was just something that we took and basically petted a male with it. So it has a man smell on it. If you notice, both of the Oberhaslis are checking it out. Now this is just because it's a new smell. Here in a second, you'll notice Macchiato. There it was. So she got a little mouthy and her tail gets very waggy. That's called, like right there, that's called flagging. That's basically indicating to the buck that she's in heat. And also, the one Oberhasli walked away. She's still at it. Her lip went up. That's another indicator. And the fact that she's still staying there and kind of rubbing her face on it and smelling it and kind of licking on it. And again, the flagging with her tail.
Okay, so we are home. I feel like, oh, I learned how to use the lights too. We're home at 11:03 in the evening, and I feel so much better about this breeding. I feel like it went really well. I feel like that's hopefully the last time that we have to go. I feel pretty confident in it, but I'm gonna go in and unload her and go to bed after I shower because I kind of smell a little bucky. Anyway, have a good night. Hopefully we don't have any more of these videos. Hopefully the next one is breeding season is over. So fingers crossed, and have a good night. Bye.